Replacing the key fob battery in your 2024 Hyundai Sonata is a simple DIY task that can save you time and money. This video will guide you through the process for both remote and smart keys. The 2024 Sonata key fob uses a CR2032 battery, and replacement typically takes only a few minutes. No major hardware changes have occurred since the car's release. The 2024 Hyundai Sonata key fob uses a specific CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. This battery type is essential for optimal performance and longevity of the key fob. Here is the CR2032 battery. It's a 3-volt lithium coin cell with a flat design that fits perfectly in the key fob. For reliability, use recommended brands like Energizer or Duracell. These quality batteries last longer and provide consistent power. The battery powers both the remote transmitter for button functions and the RFID chip that enables passive entry in smart keys. Avoid generic brands, as they may leak or fail prematurely, potentially damaging the key fob's contacts. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to open the key fob casing. Ensure you have a new CR2032 battery on hand. No specialized tools are required, making this a beginner-friendly project. Having these ready before you start streamlines the process. To open the key fob, first locate the small gap or indentation on the side of the key fob, usually near the Hyundai logo. This gap provides the entry point for prying. Gently insert the flathead screwdriver or pry tool into the gap. Position it carefully to ensure even pressure on both sides of the casing. Carefully pry open the casing by applying gentle, even pressure. Avoid using excessive force to prevent cracking the plastic. The goal is to separate the two halves of the casing without causing any damage. Once the key fob is open, remove the old CR2032 battery. Note the polarity. The positive plus side should face up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring it's seated correctly. Carefully reassemble the key fob casing by pressing the two halves together until they click securely. Make sure all edges are aligned to ensure a proper fit. Once reassembled, test the key fob by pressing the buttons for remote keys or approaching the vehicle for smart keys to confirm functionality. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, first check for misalignment during reassembly or any debris that might be obstructing contact between the battery and terminals. If that doesn't resolve the issue, try a different CR2032 battery to rule out the possibility of a faulty battery. For smart keys, if proximity sensors are failing, a full system reset through the vehicle's infotainment system might be necessary to restore functionality. Download the Hyundai BlueLink app for real-time low battery alerts. Key fob batteries typically last 1 to 2 years based on usage. Current trends focus on developing longer-lasting batteries. In the future, wireless charging may eliminate battery replacements entirely. Always recycle old lithium batteries at a proper recycling center.